Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the stake referral code. First, go to the official stake website on your browser. Once the page loads, look at the left side menu and click on Promotions. Here, you can scroll through and check if stake is showing any referral related offers, bonuses, or partner promotions that include a referral code. Now, click on the three lines from the top left corner of the website. These will open the main menu. From here, you can see options to sign up or log in using Google, Facebook, or other available platforms. Sometimes, when you start the sign up process, a referral field may appear where you can enter a code if you already have one. Next, open a new tab in your browser and search for the stake referral code. You will see multiple websites, blogs, or forums sharing updated referral codes. Click on one link and carefully check the code shown there. Make sure the site looks trustworthy and the code is recent. After that, go back and open another website from the search results. Many sites list different referral code along with bonus details. Compare a few of them and copy the code that offers the best bonus or rewards. You can also check more pages or community forums if you want additional options. Once you find a working referral code, copy it and use it during the stake sign-up process to activate the referral benefits. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.